This is the house from the outside. I'm going towards the flat, the villa now. This is the entrance door. This is the entrance. On the right side they have make a study room, or you can call it office. They have given this a triangle shaped room. As you can see, they have made this by their own. And this is the living area. Dining area. Is this the kitchen?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. And that's the kitchen. It's a bigger kitchen than our close south. This is bedroom number 1. All wooden flooring. It's washroom. Small bathtub over there. This is kids room. It is all messed up. And this is the lawn area, the back side of the villa. There are 3 rooms at the ground floor. One is kids room, one on the left side at the entrance, and one is master bedroom. Right now it is locked. We have one washroom at the ground floor, and in each room there is a washroom. I'm going up now at the first floor. The house needs a lot of work. Okay. It's okay. I'm just making a video.
Sunita, you open from 3 sides. Right side.
It's the balcony.
My name is Mr. Puppet. Where do you ask where do you live?
Selling point.
There are two balconies. One is in front and one is at the back side.
These normal villas are 360 normal. All are 360, but this is 475.
Okay.
Being a corner, and the additional place have been adjusted here.
Video यहाँ से ले लीजिए. Because really the main selling point of the house is the green space and the lawn. ये जो पूरा lawn का area है, सारा जो सब हमारा plan है. Photograph तो मैंने भेजी थी क्या?
हाँ, फोटो है, फोटोज में. I have seen the photos. How many villas are here in this colony?
Sir, कुल मिला के across all 5 blocks there will be about 1,000 is my guess. 1,000. But that is Aspen Greens, Birchford, Cedar Crest, Deerwood और East Space पांचों मिला के.
And in here,
Deerwood I think there will be about 250.
250 or 250 into 5. It's almost all colonies are of the same size.
The room है sir?
हाँ, bathroom है.
Okay, only washroom. Okay, there is one washroom.
So I'll show you the store now.
On the first floor, we have one living area and one washroom, 2 balconies, and this is a show.
हाँ, तो ये जो
पोडियम को थोड़ा जगह है, स्टोर बना दिया इन्होंने.
स्टोर का तो वीडियो चाहिए.
नहीं नहीं.
But you know that it's there.
Hello.
Yes,
What's the big deal?
wherever the space is there, one should use it.
Is this a room? ये रूम है इधर सर पीछे. ये भी रूम है.
ये भी रूम.
हाँ, ये वो है सर्वेंट रूम.
Okay, servant room.
हाँ, फिर आपको सर्व.
This is
Servant room. Servant room is at first floor. Attached the bathroom. Thank you.
इसके पीछे रूम नहीं है, ये सिर्फ दीवार ही है. ओनली सर्वेंट रूम. और टॉप इज ए मास्टर बेडरूम. दिस मास्टर बेडरूम कन्वर्टेड इनटू ए गेस्ट रूम एंड नीचे जो है 3 रूम्स. 3+1. One on the first floor.
Okay. One servant room, one master bedroom. 2. One servant and one master. Okay, one store. 2 balconies.
2 balconies, front and back.
Alright.
तो ये पीछे वाले का.
The first floor we have one master bedroom, one store, one servant quarter, 2 balconies.
This is the front row. This is the corner road going left side from here. This is the corner, and now right side we go and main road.
But main road से हट के है, मतलब ट्रैफिक का कोई आवाज धुआं वगैरह नहीं आता. Because it's 5-6 houses from here.
ऊपर से जरा फोटो लेना था ठीक है.
ले लिया.
हाँ, भूल गया उन्होंने.
ये दिस corners.
ले लिया.
अभी नीचे से लॉन से भी ले लेंगे.
हाँ.
Because she's put the dogs inside. So this is the open area. This is what is really, to me, is the main thing about the house. ये जैसे फूलों के पेड़ हैं, bamboos,
Yeah.
and
It's an advantage.
वहाँ पे हम नीचे पीछे वहाँ सब्जियाँ लगा लेते हैं सर्दियों में. And for the kids, it's a very nice space. Winters में light a fire. It's quite nice. that's the master bedroom and that's the master dog.
Yeah.
Chup, clear. बाकी रूम्स का आपने ले लिया?
हाँ, मास्टर बेडरूम इज
जहाँ पे
लेफ्ट, वो रहता है बस, वो रहता है, इट इज लेफ्ट.
मैं वहाँ का भी अभी कर देता
हाँ.
हूँ. Just put the dogs outside. Anand, don't open the door. आपको बाहर जाने के. Would you like to step outside, son? आप अपना वीडियो ऑफ कर लीजिए.
It's okay.
मैं मास्टर बेडरूम 2 मिनट में खोल देता
No, no problem.
हूँ. तो whenever मैं पागल कर दिया, this is the light. This space is very nice. The lawn is a big word. In the army, you've seen much bigger lawns. But Gurgaon के लिए बहुत है. Yeah.
एक यार्ड में नहीं आ गया.
I just put the dogs outside so he can take a video of the master bedroom. एक मिनट जरा वेट करिए मैं. Stay.
बहुत काम होने वाला है. बहुत काम होने वाला है.
बहुत
काम होने वाला है.
हाँ तो है दो काफी. ये मैंने ऐड किया.
हाँ जी, आ जाइए.
I'm entering into master bedroom.
So the idea is कि सब कुछ लॉन को फेसिंग हो. तो ये भी हमने ऐसा बनाया कि the whole door window can open up and we'll be able to sit here and work.
Yeah.
My kids are not playing there. और वो भी वैसे ही पूरा बड़ा दरवाजा है जो पूरा लॉन में खुल जाता है वहाँ से.
So you have made this master bedroom.
हाँ जी, तो जैसे आप ये देख रहे हैं ना, यहाँ तक था ये पूरा. This was the corner.
Yes.
ये रूम यहाँ खत्म था और ये दीवार यहाँ खत्म थी.
अच्छा.
तो ये पूरा एक्सटेंड हमने कराया है. इसको इतना बढ़ा दिया.
अच्छा.
इसको इस तरह बढ़ा दिया. Because otherwise the room is too small.
ये इजी था.
हाँ, ये आपको दिख रहा है.
Yes.
This is the demarcation.
Oh. Yes.
So we extended in both directions. We got all the woodwork done because we thought कि अपने हिसाब से फिर we can have our space.
तो ये वेट आपने टच नहीं किया, ये एडिशनल था आपके पिलर, आपने वेट इस पर.
Thank you.